Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a PayPal button to Squarespace. This is a fantastic way to start accepting payments directly on your website, whether you're selling products, services, or accepting donations. Let's dive right in and get this set up for you. First, you'll want to head over to elfsite.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but the process is quick and straightforward. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard with various options available. Now look over to the left side menu where you'll find several navigation options. Click on Add New App. This will open up a search function where you can browse through all the widgets and tools that Elfsight offers. In the search bar, type PayPal button and click on it when it appears. This widget is specifically designed to integrate PayPal's payment functionality seamlessly into your website. You'll now see various templates available for your PayPal button. Browse through these options and select the one that best matches your website's design and your specific needs. Once you've made your choice, click Continue with this template. This takes you to the customization screen where the real magic happens. Here's where you'll enter your business PayPal email address. This is crucial because it ensures that all payments are directed to the correct account. Take your time to double check that you've entered the correct email. You can also customize how your PayPal button looks and behaves, adjust the colors, text, and button style to match your brand identity and make it appealing to your visitors. Once you're satisfied with all your customization choices, go ahead and click Publish. A confirmation message should appear, and then click the Close button to exit that screen. Now you need to grab the embed code. Click the three dots next to your newly created PayPal button widget from the menu that appears, select Embed Code, then copy the code that's displayed. This code is what will allow you to place the button anywhere on your Squarespace site. Head back over to Squarespace and click Edit to enter your site editor. Navigate to the section where you want your PayPal button to appear. Click Add Block to bring up the block menu, then search for and click Embed. This block type allows you to insert custom code into your Squarespace site. Once the embed block appears on your page, click the pencil icon to open its settings. You'll see an option labeled Code Snippet. Click on that, then click Embed Data. Now paste the code you copied from Elfsight into the provided field. Before finalizing everything, click Preview in safe mode to ensure the button appears correctly and functions as expected. Finally, click Save to lock in all your changes. Your PayPal button is now live on your Squarespace site, ready to accept payments from your customers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.